Guys, so I am here and today I have a very interesting tool. I want to show you it. As you can see, it is brand new in box. This is made by Knipex, and this is of course plier. Here you can see the part number of it, 8202200 markings. Of course, this tool is made in Germany, as almost every Knipex plier. Once again, the part number. Now I will unbox it and show you what is exactly in this box. And here it is. This is freshly developed and manufactured product from Knipex. This is the plier, but this is not usual plier. This is something special. This is what they call Twin Grip Pliers, of their ability to grip the fasteners. This tool is made in the best traditions of the company. This is my Cobra, and I prefer this type of comfort grip handles, rubberized handle, and the marking inside made in Germany. Very good, I like it. But this video is not about my Cobra, this is about this new plier, and let's see details about it. Here you can see it once again, the comfort grip handle, red and blue, the markings also made in Germany here, and this is how the tool itself looks. Also the steel is what you can see on the other Knipex tools, and the main reason I bought this plier is the type of the jaws and how it can be adjusted as a usual slip joint plier. Here you can see it has 5 adjustment points, and now it stands on the biggest one. How wide can the jaws open in this position, you can see, and also you can look at the type of the jaws, how they are machined. This is only plier which offers today such type of the jaws. I know there are some one pliers and other stuff, but for me this is the winner of the competition. You can grab the fastener such ways and move it when it is damaged, and this is the smallest adjustment point of this plier. Here you can see the weight of the plier is very good. It has some wobbling abilities, but I think it is made from engineers to work the tool properly. I'm sure that this is no issue. Now, my friends, I will try to grab some bolt and show you detail how this tool can grab the fastener itself. I have here some bolts in my garage, and let's see. Here we are, this is the bolt. I will not go crazy now, I only show you what this tool can do, and here it is. Even on the smallest adjustment point it can grab this bolt very securely, and if this bolt would be damaged, this plier will allow me to remove it. After removing damaged bolts, you must throw it and use new one. Here I also have some slip joint pliers. This is wildly made in USA. I respect this tool, very good, very strong, but this is definitely another tool from the Knipex. Here you can see the differences about them, the machining and type of the jaws they have, the thickness of the jaws, and also if we move Knipex on the widest adjustment point, here you can see Knipex looks smaller, and if we compare them to each other, Knipex has a narrow head, and it will completely do different job for you against with this slip joint plier, regular wildy plier. It sits in my hand very good, to be honest. It feels like I want to hold it in my hand whole day. The satin finish on the tool is what you can see on the other Knipex tools. One thing I want to mention, guys, I ordered this tool from USA. There are some of them available online, but today they are not available from Germany, and that's why I have to order it from USA, and I'm very happy now. The movement of the jaws is very smooth. A tool came with a little bit of oil, and it was also good. It adjusts very freely, and I think it will be better when I will work with it after some abuse of the tool. I am sure that it will hold up if I use it properly, and I think now that it is a very good addition to my tools. From this video, guys, I was and I am the more hardcore fan of Knipex, and much pliers I am interested to order very soon. So I recommend this tool to anyone. This is not promotional video. Everybody knows that Knipex is top brand. If you like this video, please subscribe. I have many materials to come with you with. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and thank you once again. See you in the next videos. Goodbye, my friends.